Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how I make my protein popcorn. Of course, you want to get the light one because it has less calories. Either one of these brands, you can find them on Amazon or in any of the Carrefour stores. So this has, let's see, around 130 calories, but that's not for the whole bag, that's per serving. And it has 7.5 servings, so approximately each whole bag is north of 250 to 260 calories. And then we're gonna get the protein. So one scoop of protein is 110 calories. I'm gonna probably put a scoop and a half, so we're looking at north of 200 calories. So 200 plus 285, you're getting approximately 450 calories in this snack, which is full of protein and helps fill you up so that you don't feel like you're starving. So after you've taken out the bag, what you want to do is you want to open it, make it a little bit flat, and then place it in the microwave for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Of course, it depends on your microwave. You want to stay near it, and when you hear there's like a 3-second gap between each pop, that means it's done. I prefer to have less kernels popped, like have some of them undone, instead of having them all pop and then have some burned popcorn. So we're gonna start. Okay, so now I see that the pops have slowed down. Obviously I can't let it continue, but I don't want to risk burning it, so I'm gonna just stop right now. Okay, just shake it a little bit just to have all the salt inside mix up. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to spill all of it and then just put the protein, because you're going to have a lot of unpopped kernels, and obviously you don't want to chew them, you might break your teeth. And you don't want the protein sticking to them. So what I like to do is I'll put a little bit here, right? And shake it a little bit so that the unpopped kernels go to the bottom. Then what you want to do is watch properly here. You want to put 3 handfuls, or maybe 4, and then you get your protein, sprinkle a little bit over the top. Now, why do I not put all of them and just spill the protein on top? Because they're going to fall to the bottom. You don't want to do that. You want to have them evenly spread out. So now we get another. Sprinkle more. And you continue the rest of the bag. Again, shake it properly. Of course, you can use any flavor you want. I prefer chocolate or cookies and cream. Vanilla's not so good. Strawberry, trust me, you don't want to put strawberry with popcorn. It tastes horrible. You just want to throw up after that. Salted caramel is also good. If you find salted caramel protein, that's a good choice. This is, by the way, the protein I use, All Max. One of the best, highest concentration protein. This is cookies and cream flavor. And there you have it. Then you get your light Coke or 7-Up or whatever, 1 calorie instead of having 400 calories full of sugar with a regular Coke. And you're done. You have a nice evening snack. Thank you for watching.